So we use Discord every day without realizing that it's full of fun and sometimes strange Easter eggs. I personally thought I knew about all of them, even made a video 3 years ago covering some of them, but now I found a whole list. So today we're gonna cover both the classics and the ones I didn't know about. Let's get right into it. Alright, so unfortunately part of the classics of copying the username over and over again doesn't work anymore, but let's see what happens if I click on the top left icon a bunch of times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. Discord. Ooh, we get Discordo activated. Now let me quit, and every time you turn Discord on, Discordo, you'll hear this. If you want to turn it off, just click on the icon until you hear the disconnect sound. There you go. This one is kind of rare. If you're doing a search and you don't find anything, you usually get this message with a magnifying glass. Apparently, on rare occasions, you will see a banana instead. On Discord's developer documentation, on the page about rate limits, we can see a clickable column here. And when we click on it, it sends us here. Top left, we can toggle Nyan Cat mode. And it also comes with music. You can also skip the song. There's a whole playlist. Top right, you can toggle light theme. If we go back to the other mode, it says Mew 0, and if you click, there's Mew mode X1, X2, and we can keep clicking like that, and the whole thing will go way faster. And we get way more particles too. I'm at 108, 120 now. At the bottom, you can also click visualize or press V to visualize the rate. If you go to discord.com/humans.txt, you'll see this. Nice. If you try going to printer.discord.com, it redirects you to Computer Man. Great stuff. If you find yourself on an error page, right at this little graphic, there's a snake that you can click on, and now you can play Snake. Click once, press enter to play, and then WASD to move, or your arrow keys. I've never been good at Snake because I didn't have the phones that had Snake when I was young. In order to see the list of shortcuts for Discord, you can press Ctrl and /. It'll bring you here and you can see all of the keybinds for Discord. Up top, you'll also notice a bunch of arrows. If you click on them, you can also press the arrows on your keyboard in order to play some music. But also from that very same menu, there's a Street Fighter Easter egg. And to activate it, you need to press HH right arrow NK, and there it is. So the regular ringtone when calling someone sounds like this. But there's actually a 0.1 chance of it sounding like this. This one's not really an Easter egg, but when you're on a stage channel, you can activate music by hovering right there. And the intro really sounds like the Wii Shop music. One of the default soundboards you get is a Quack sound. And if you tap it enough times, you get some confetti. And that doesn't seem to work with the others. So apparently there's one with the in-app icon that is the pirate one. So when I hover over it, it says YAR, discard. I discard, matey. This one is a themed loading animation for Discord when you open it around Halloween. I love this one. Press Alt, Control, Shift, and W. So you can chill if a conversation is too overwhelming for you. And finally for this one, if we scroll all the way down on the Discord website, right there, we can see a little robot. When I hover around him, we can see that he is clickable. Whoa. Uh-oh. Aww. Huh? Oh, no. Okay, I broke it. He's no longer clickable. No, what have I done? Well, that's a great spot to end the video. I actually found those Easter eggs on the Discord wiki, and I will put a link in the description. Make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, like, share with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Guy Level, out.